Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox the try to say that 5 times fast. This is only the Major Arcana, but I had to have it because, oh my god, it's the Tarot. Hey look, you can see me, hi! Alright, let me take this plastic off, give me 1 second. Alright, the plastic is now off. Look how beautiful this looks. It's so pretty. Is this a class box? How do you... Oh, it is. This is the tiniest clasp I've ever seen, by the way. Ooh. Nice. Oh, there's no ribbon. Dang it. Just gotta... Oh, it's a little guidebook. It's a little thin one. But that's because it's only Major Arcana. It's a colored book. Not a coloring book, guys. It's a colored book. That's pretty. Is there plastic on here? Yes. Oh wait, no there isn't. It's just a card condom. Yes. Wow, these feel... These have that rose petal feel. Dang, I wish the artist made a full deck. Oh, let's look at the box. This is a velvety box right here. That's so pretty. Here, let me put these aside so we can look at the cards. Put this right here. Isn't that pretty? It is black gilded edges. It has a rose petal feel. It feels really nice. Let me zoom you in so we can look at the cards a bit better. Okay, so let's look at the cards. Wow, this fool looks scary as heck. The Magician. I love that. It's Dr. Frankenstein. Oh, the High Priestess is Medusa. That's pretty. The Empress. Is this Vampira? Maybe, but she still looks pretty. Look at the Emperor's face. He looked drunk as heck. He's like, ooh, I'm woozy. Ooh, the HIEROPHANT. That looks nice. The Lovers. I like this, that they have Death as the angel. It's a mummy for the Chariot. That's cool. Whoa, this is awesome. I like this. She's freaking taming Cerberus. At least it looks like Cerberus. Yeah, but there's like a snake there too. Oh, this is cool. The Hermit. Wheel of Fortune. I really wish the artist made a full deck. There's a lot of people who would buy this deck if they made a full deck. I would be one of them. Shit, I'd pay $100 if you made a full deck. Justice. The Hanged Man. Is that Pinocchio? Death. Is that a little boat? Is that like a... That's like a toy boat. It's not a real boat. That's too tiny. Won't focus. Focus on the card. Focus on the card. There you go. That has to be a toy boat. That can't be a real boat. Temperance. El Diablo, or the Devil. Wow, look at this tower. The star, I love it. I love mermaids. The moon is a werewolf. Yes. Look at that little crab. He's like, fuck this. I'm gone. Ooh, this is nice. The sun. Judgment. And the world. Dr. Jekyll. Mr. Hyde. These feel really good. If this was a full deck, I can see this like shuffling really well too. It's not, it's like, is it your typical tarot size? I think it is. Okay, let me grab one for comparison. All right, I grabbed one from my This Might Hurt tarot deck just to see size comparison. Yep, it's your typical tarot deck size. But yeah, man, if they made a full deck, I would totally buy it. I am gonna use these in readings whenever there's a need to like, oh man, it feels so nice. I can't get over the feel of it. Whenever I do like spreads where Major Arcana are like specifically set out to choose from, and then the rest of the cards. But yeah, that is the terror. Here, let me zone you back out. Let me zoom you back out. So that is the tarot. Say it 5 times, you try it. But it's really nice. I got it on Amazon. It is again only the Major Arcana, and I believe when I got it, it was like, I think it's like $32 right now. Well worth it though, especially if you're a horror fan. Horror fan, not a horror fan. Nope, that's not what I mean, guys. Get your head out of the gutter. Anyways, thanks for stopping by. If you guys would like me to do more deck reviews, be sure to like this video. Give me at least 10 likes, you know, because it's nice. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.